All right, hello. My name is Isabella Mester. This is my quiz 2 question 1 for computer science 110. So I'll just be going over how I did this problem. So first I initialized a sum accumulator equal to 0, and then I make a for loop range statement for our numbers 140 to 581. And since we're only dealing with even integers, we have 2 times n, and then we can go ahead and update the sum accumulator and make sure that we have our evens um, variable here to, make sure that we get only evens. And then after that, you can go ahead, or I print out my statement, which is the sum of even integers from 140 to 581 inclusive is, and then we have our sum accumulator here, and then so I'll just run it up here, and you can see that the sum of even integers from 140 to 581 inclusive is 317,520, and that's pretty much it. So thank you.